Hello everyone. What I would say now. I am here on Jhuly Sequata.
No. Come on. July's Aquatics and gardening.
Jhuly Sequata and gardening.
Alright, what's up everybody? We're back at Mom's house. We're in the kitchen. I convinced my mom somehow to come on YouTube and to share her recipe for Hominy corn porridge, traditional Jamaican staple. So if you've ever seen this in the store and you didn't know what to do with it, Mom is going to show you what to do with this thing. So Mom is going to introduce herself, or like I like to call her, Sister Marcia. She's going to introduce herself. So walk us through what you got on the counter here, Mom.
Sister Marcia or Marcia.
Yeah, Sister Marcia. So Sister Marcia will walk with you what's on the counter now, and then we're going to get into the video. So take over, Mom.
Well, hello.
Oops. Sorry, let me turn the camera.
Turn the camera.
Yeah, man, go on, man. Go on.
Alright, so this is new to me. Never cooked online or on stream before. Hello everyone. What I would say now. I am here on Jhuly Sequata.
No. Come on. July's Aquatics and gardening.
Jhuly Sequata and gardening. And I'm in the kitchen. This is my kitchen, and I'm about to make some Hominy porridge for my beloved daughter who is theming for the porridge. So the first step, I'm going to open it, take it over to the pot, pour it in. This really should be on from about 10 o'clock this morning.
Yeah, because traditionally we make it for breakfast.
Traditionally, you know, by this I would probably be finished already. So I'm going to fill the pot with water. Not all the way up, but so the corn can, I'm going to put it on.
It's only when I start the water for excess stuff.
Once this comes to a boil, then we are on our way. Alright, so once this is come to a boil, then we'll go to the next phase. So for right now, we're just gonna wait until the water starts to bubble up, and then we'll take it from there.
Looking forward to it.
Alright, so we're back. It's to a boil. So you stir it to make sure it's not sticking. Use a wooden spoon because you don't want the metal spoon to scratch up your pot. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add 1 tin of evap milk and let that cook with the corn. Always wash your tins when you go to the store because they've been sitting in the store. So always wash before you open it, wash them. I always tell my kids, wash your stuff before you open it.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you wash it and then you dry it. I'm just gonna put one now and then see if I need to add another tin.
So pretty much you don't cook by recipes, you just
wing it.
Okay. Do you know how? I don't remember. I'm gonna try to, if I remember, to flash the info on the screen for the package of corn. How many ounces it was?
1 bag.
Yeah, but it's just one bag. And then this is a 12-ounce can of evaporated milk. The brand doesn't matter.
Yes, it does.
Well, this is just this generic
This
store
is just
brand.
a generic store brand.
Oh.
Alright, so you pour it in. Stir it around. And then we let the corn cook. So once the corn is tender, then we're ready to go to round 2. Alright. Alright.
So there's really no time limit on how long you cook this?
No, just until the corn
You
is
just
tender.
boil it until when you
Till
pinch
it's
the
not-
corn, or when you bite into it.
When
it's
you
tender.
bite it and it's tender. Or what I might do, I might put it in a pressure cooker, depending on how fast the pregnant mother wants her Hominy porridge. But normally this would take probably about an hour or hour and a half. My son Steven always say it's gonna take all day. It usually don't.
So just
So
let that one.
I'm gonna let that cook. Alright, at this stage I'm gonna put a pinch, of the vanilla. So it can give the corn a little bit of flavor. Just for the camera, I'm gonna put two capful. That's probably a teaspoon. Yeah. That will give it a little bit of flavor, and then the aroma will just permeate through the house that we're cooking. Alright?
So cover it up.
So we just let it roll.
Let her rip.
Alright, so we're gonna give it a test to see where we are. I did add water to it.
Boiling hot water.
Some boiling hot water. It's coming together. So I'm gonna taste one of the corn to see how tender it is, to see if it's ready.
Burn up yourself.
It's getting there. And this is Hominy porridge that we're making. So now I'm going to add some coconut milk. Shake it.
And one thing that we didn't mention is that while you're cooking the corn, you don't want to cover the pot.
No, you gotta keep the lid
pot
on.
open.
Keep it open. Alright, so now I'm going to add. I use Grace. I only like Grace product. Grace coconut milk. Pour it in. Then you start it. It smells so good. You can smell it. I usually use a tip of water to get all the milk out of it. When you bring this to a boil again,
You see, there's a little bit of milk left in there.
yeah, pour a little bit of water in. You gotta get everything out. Oops, it's hot, so you gotta get
Waste not, want not.
Yep. See? Pour it in. Alright, so now we're gonna bring it back to a boil. And then Mr. Anthony, this is where he steps in. And we're gonna make a paste with flour. Put it in. And then we add our sweet milk, spice. It's ready to eat. Alright?
So much for you.
So we're gonna make the paste. So we're gonna put two scoop. This is like 1 cup. Probably.
You can measure if you want. Yeah, it's
Do you-
perfect.
I usually just wing it, you know. So we're gonna put 2 scoop.
Yeah, it's like a little more than a cup.
Yeah. Alright, this is a 2.5 scoop. Alright, we're gonna make a paste.
And you want to use cold water. Believe me, I did this before and I used hot water and it
We're
didn't.
gonna make it clumpy.
Yeah, use cold water.
Make sure while you're cooking, you're cleaning. Your kitchen have to be clean.
Yes.
Alright, so we pour the water in. Pour all of it. Maybe. You don't want no lumps. You don't want it to be lumpy. We don't want it to get lumpy while you put it in the porridge.
Yeah, so you have to
So
stir
you
and
gotta
pour.
stir while you pour it. I didn't put any salt in as yet because I like to
Really thick.
do my salt at the end because the salt give it that extra flavor, and it's you can't see, but it's lumping up here.
It's gonna hurt your hand.
Make it lump up.
How did I make it lump up?
Because you weren't stirring it fast enough. Alright, get the hot water. Put some hot water to it. Usually I just wing it. But for the camera's sake, I'm gonna put a teaspoon. This is not gonna be enough, but
That's your teaspoon.
this is not a teaspoon?
It's like 3 teaspoons.
He said this is like 3 teaspoons. So
This is
I don't know. A little pinch more.
This actually takes more salt than you would think.
Yeah.
Boom. And this is the sweetened coconut milk. You don't want to use the unsweetened stuff.
No thanks.
I don't want it to burn.
Alright, so now we are adding in sweetened condensed milk. These are 14-ounce cans. Trust me, you're gonna want the full thing.
Alright, so now we're gonna add the nutmeg. I did add
Alright, nutmeg.
nutmeg. No Jamaicans. There's no more.
Vanilla.
So we add just a pinch more
Nutmeg.
nutmeg. Take time to stir it so it has to go. Alright. Then we're gonna add some more salt because it's not. I'm gonna do it the regular way. It's the regular way.
Just sprinkle it.
The sprinkle, you know. When you're in the kitchen, your hand is always clean because you're always washing. So
So we're putting regular granulated sugar in now. And again, you just go according to taste here.
we're finished.
All done.
All done. So now we're sharing it out.
Serve about 90 seconds. This is for tomorrow. Let me just taste that. No, that's not. No, no, put some more in there. Put some more in there, Mom.
Oh,
That's for me. Pull up the board.
you have that big old bowl right
No,
there.
hold on. Go on, do your thing. This is what it looks like, guys. You see that? It's gonna spill out. Look. Boom.
Alright. So now I'm gonna share for the children. Share for the children.
That's good.
And everyone can dig in.
Alright, well, thanks guys for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel with notification bell on. Go ahead and give this video a try. Give this recipe a try. If you haven't had this before, believe me, it's really good. Again, thanks for watching. All of the things that we use for today's video is in the description box below, so check it out. And I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.